येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। Abhyas 29 is what we are looking at. So the words are ka to gha, and there are some sankhya vachaka shabdas and some proper nouns. I will read the ka shabdas. Pachakah rasuya. So pachakah pachati. Khana
So have
banati.
you shared your screen? I'm not able to see your
Oh, okay,
screen.
okay, okay. Oh, sorry. I just realized that I did not share my screen. Okay, Abhyasa 29. Now I think this is visible. I hope this is visible now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
visible.
Supah is dal, shakah is sag, rotika, sharkara and lapsika are roti, shakkar and halwa, respectively. Bhaktam is bhat, payasam is kheer, mishthanam is mithai, pakwanam is pakavan, navanitam is makhan, ghrutam is ghee, lavanam is namak, vasara is din, and then there are some sankhya vachaka shabdas. Shatam, so we say jivet sharada shatam, one should live for 100 years. A Vedic maxim, old maxim. Jivet Sharada Shatam. Sahasram, thousands. Laksham, lakh. Kotihi, karod. Adhikam, adhik. Nyunam, kam. And then there are some shabdas that we now need to memorize, or rather uh, look at the shabda rupas. So 44 and 45 are the shabdas. Tri and Chatur. Forty-four, 45. So, please read the Shabda Rupas for Tri. Tri has three versions, just like Chatu or Chatur. So, read for Tri. Pulling, Striling, Napunsakling. There are just one versions, like instead of Bahuvachanam and all. Bahuvachan does not make sense because three is
Yes.
already Bahuvachanam. So, yes.
Yes. So three pulling vachan. Sorry, three pulling. Traya, Trini, Tistrah, Trin, Trini, Tistrah, Tribhihi, Tribhihi, Tisrabhihi, Tribhyah, Tribhyah, Tishrabhyah, Tribhyah, Tribhyah, Tishrabhyah, त्रयाणाम त्रयाणाम तिसृणाम त्रिषु त्रिषु तीर त्रिषु तीसृषु सॉरी
Hmm. So, now for Chatur.
ओके चतुर पुल्लिंग would be चत्वारः चतुरः चतुर्भिः चतुर्भ्यः चतुर्भ्यः चतुर्णाम चतुर्षु नपुंसकलिंग would be चत्वारि चत्वारि चतुर्भिः चतुर्भ्यः चतुर्भ्यः चतुर्णाम चतुर्षु स्त्रीलिंग would be चतस्रः चतस्रः चतस्रभिः चतस्रभ्यः चतस्रिभ्यः चतस्रिणां चतस्रिषु.
Hmm. So let us look at uh, the Abhyasa again. हाँ, 28 or 29 we were doing. So क्री और ज्ञा धातु के विधिलिंग रूप और लृट के रूप स्मरण करो. So I will do this. क्री 30 and 39. क्री and न्या, right? So let's look at क्री 30. Seven, something like that. Yes, 37. 37. So, Lrit and Vithiling. Vithiling is Kriniyat, Kriniyatam, Kriniyuhu, Kriniyaha, Kriniyatam, Kriniyata. And Kriniyam, Kriniyava, Kriniyam. Now, Nyadhatu. That becomes Janiyat, Janiyatam, Janiyuhu. जानीयाः जानीयातं जानीयात् जानीयाम जानीयाव जानीयाम. And then लृट is न्यास्यति न्यास्यतः न्यास्यन्ति न्यास्यति न्यास्यतः न्यास्यतः यास्यतः यास्यामि न्यास्यावः न्यास्यामः. So these are the Vidiling and Lrit Rupas. Now let us again go back to the Sankhya. Yes. There are 7 days and 20 आदि के लिए संस्कृत शब्द भी बोला गया है. विंशति is 20, त्रिंशत is 30, चत्वारिंशत is 40, पंचाशत is 50, षष्टि is 60, सप्तति is 70, अशीति is 80, from which the word अस्सी comes, अशीति. Navati, from Navati comes Nabbe. Saptasi comes from Saptati comes Sattar. Shashti gives us Sat, and Panchashat gives us Pachas, right? So 7 दिन ये हैं: रविवारः, सोमवारः, मंगलवारः, बुधवारः, बृहस्पतिवारः, शुक्रवारः, शनिवारः. Now what is this? So there are two sandhis that have now been given to us. ससजुषो रुहु शब्द के अंतिम स को रू र हो जाता है. प्रथमा के एक वचन में इसी र का विसर्ग दिखाई देता है. संधि में यह अ आ के अतिरिक्त अन्य स्वरों के बाद रहेगा. सो अ आ, सो सपोज देयर इज ह, then don't do this sandhi. But if there is harihi, then it's not a, it's e, the hrasva e. So there you can do for the visarga becomes ra. So it becomes hari ravadat. What has happened? Harihi, and then a ra halanta came. That ra halanta or ir joined with a and became ra. So Hari Ravadat, Guru Rasti, Vadhuresha, Guror Bhashanam. Now in this case, what is happening? Why it is not becoming Gurora Bhashanam? Because Guroho was there. From Guroho it became Guror, and then bha is not a vowel, right? So that will not help us in doing any uh, making it ir from ir to ra. It will just remain ra halanta and will now appear as a ref over bha. Guror bhashanam. Now अतोरोर प्लुताद प्लुते, अ को ओ जाता है, बाद में अ हो तो, अर्थात अह. So we have seen this sign. This is called as ayogavaha. It's called as ayogavaha. Ah a becomes o. So we say sah aham. A है, अ के बाद विसर्ग है, and then after the visarga there is another a. So it becomes soham, koham, kosti, so pathat. Because sa is what? Is plus a ke baad visarg, and this is again a visarg a. This combination is giving me so pathat. Another one is if I do something and after doing that thing I start the action, then that gives me the twa pratyaya. I don't read it as katva. This is twa. It is read as twa. So twa pratyaya. It is becoming patitva. पठित्वा अहम खादिष्यामि. पठित्वा अहम खादिष्यामि, मैं पढ़ के खाऊंगा, पढ़ने के बाद खाऊंगा. कृत्वा, हृत्वा, लिखित्वा. कैन यू रीड दिस थिंग, दिवाकर जी? कृत्वा and all that. So पढ़कर, पठित्वा and so on.
Yes. क्री कृत्वा, ह्रि हृत्वा, लिख लिखित्वा, गृह गृहीत्वा, पृच्छ पृष्ट्वा, वस उषित्वा, दृश दृष्ट्वा, पच पक्त्वा, खाद खादित्वा, पा पीत्वा, लब लब्ध्वा.
Hmm. So the next one is the rule on the upasargas. So there is another thing that we looked at, right? The liyap pratyay, which was also doing the same thing. कोई काम करने के बाद अगर कोई दूसरा काम करे तो पहले वाले काम के लिए लियप होगा. So liyap is now fine, but we can use either liyap or twa. But suppose before the dhatu there are some upasargas, pra, nir, I mean any dhatu, for example, pra, nir, sam, vi, etc. Then in that case, don't use. So da plus twa is datva, but da plus liyap is daya. But the moment you write a, so upasargas can change the meaning. Da is for dena, adaya is or is adadati is lena. So now a upasarga has come. So this has become, instead of adatva, it will have to be made as adaya, vikriya, agatya, agamya. Gatva is jakar. Gamya would have been also jakar, but agamya or when I use the word it becomes ana. So the upasarga has changed the artha. It is now arrival. यहाँ पे आकर. So agamya is आकर. प्रहृत्य is प्रहार करके, विहृत्य is घूम कर, आनीय is लाकर, and आहूय is बुलाकर. So all these usages we can see. Now, can you do an anuvada of this thing? The first vakya.
Yes. वह पढ़कर घर जाता है। स पठित्वा गृहं गच्छति।
Hmm. Now the other one is
स
सः
स्नान
स्नात्वा पठित्वा लिखित्वा भोजनं खादित्वा जलं पीत्वा च विद्यालयं
विद्यालय।
गच्छति. What is the meaning of this?
वह नहा के, पढ़ के, लिख के, भोजन खाकर, जल पीकर और जल पीकर विद्यालय जाता है।
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Now this one. स धनम् आदाय फलानि विक्रीय शत्रुं प्रहृत्य गृहम् आगत्य च तिष्ठति. What will this be?
वह धन धन लेकर, फल खरीद कर, शत्रु पर प्रहार कर घर घर आकर बैठता है।
Hmm. Okay. Now I will do one. वस्त्रं क्रीणीयात् पुस्तकं गृह्णीयात् धर्मं जानीयात् च. वस्त्र खरीदे, पुस्तक ग्रहण करे एंड धर्म को जाने. Now if I want to do an anuvada of this sentence, so I will write कृष्णः वाटिकां दृष्ट्वा बालकं धनं दत्वा पुस्तकानि लब्ध्वा प्रश्नं पृष्ट्वा वचनं च ब्रवीत्वा अत्र आगतवान्. और आगतवान्, this is fine. So let us see what the tva pratyaya is for bru. Uktva, sorry, bru is upva, not bravitva. Uktva. Yes. Another thing that we can do is Ramah Mishtannam Pakvannam. Makhanam is Navaneetam Ghritam Dugdham Sharkaranch Khaditva Atra Agachati. So in this way we have to do it for other words also. So okay, so we are done with this abhyasa. Let me just try to see if we can do something for the other one. So the third one, we can do the sandhi also. Devah and adhuna. If this is the sandhi, devodhuna, right? This is coming from atorora plutada plute. And sah ayam, this is soyam. A visarg a, it becomes o, soyam. Ramo vadat. What about this? विसर्ग को इर हो जाएगा और इर के बाद अ है तो र बन जाएगा. हरिरागच्छत,
Yes.
शिशुरागच्छत, पितुरिच्छा. Like that we will have to do this. Now we can discuss this, but I would rather suggest we do this in the next patha. This will be a bit longer. As in, we can just keep this as a long session and wrap up this Rachananuvad Kaumudi patha for the volume 1. So, Yanam, Samskaranam, uh, Padari Phalam, Jambu Phalam, all these things. But let us try to make some progress today with this. So, Divakarji, can you read this third abhyasa?
यस, यानम अर्थात सवारी, संस्करणम अर्थात पुस्तक आदि का संस्करण और सफाई भी है। आम्रम अर्थात आम, दाड़िमम अर्थात अनार, द्राक्षाफलम अर्थात अंगूर, बद्री फलम अर्थात बेर, कदली फलम अर्थात केला, जम्बू फलम अर्थात जामुन, बिल्व फलम अर्थात बेल, कंचुकः अर्थात कुर्ता, उत्तरीयः अर्थात चादर, कंबलः अर्थात कंबल, पादयामः अर्थात पायजामा, आभूषणम अर्थात गहना, अधोवस्त्रम अर्थात धोती, अंग प्रोक्षणम अर्थात अंगोछा, मुख प्रोक्षणम अर्थात रूमाल, शाटिका अर्थात साड़ी, शय्या अर्थात बिस्तर, उपानह या उपानत अर्थात जूता।
Hmm. Now the next thing is पंचन से दशन तक के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. So this I will leave. I mean the memorization part. We can always look at that memorization thing later. Just we can just do it later. And आम्र आदि नपुंसक लिंग होंगे तो इनका अर्थ आम आदि फल होगा. So there is one thing. Amra, if you write Amram, Amre, Amrani in this style, this will mean Am ka phal. If you write Amraha, Dadimaha, in this way, Amraha, Amrau, Amraha, then it will become Vriksha, Am ka ped. So there are these differences. Now, Hashicha, what is this sutra? Hashicha. अ को ओ हो जाता है बाद में वर्ग के 3 4 5 ह य र ल हो ओई हो तो जैसे रामः गच्छति. So this becomes the visarga becomes what? Because this is ga is the third one, right? Ka kha ga of the kavarga. So visarga has become o. Similarly, Krishna vadati. Va is what? Va is ha ya rala. Either you can see it that way, or rather I would say that haya varala. This is also one thing that should have been added, because var does not belong to any varga, right? So va does not belong to any varga, so we can just say ha ya varala and Krishna vadati. So va is there, so visarga becomes o. Similarly here, la is what? La is from which varga? Yara lava. So no varga. La. Again, balo likhati. There is one more sutra. This is not the complete sutra. It's just an abbreviation given here. So let us try to look at that sutra, at least the full sutra, and then we will go back to the patha again. हाँ, एतत्तदोः सुपोलो सो एतत्तदोः सुलोपोकोरन्नैः समासे हली. This is the sutra. We're not going to look at the sutra right now, but let me again change my screen and present something else. Okay. हाँ. सो एषः और सह के विसर्ग का लोप हो जाता है बाद में कोई व्यंजन हो तो. सह पठति, सब स पठति, सह लिखति, एंड एषः के साथ भी ऐसा ही है. सो आफ्टर दैट इफ अ व्यंजना इज कमिंग ग, दिस बिकम एष गच्छति. नाउ चाहिए अर्थ में धातु के साथ तव्य लगना चाहिए. सो कृ तव्य इज द प्रत्यय और तव्यत इज द प्रत्यय. फ्रॉम दैट वी हैव तव्य. सो कृ जो तव्य इज कर्तव्यम, हर्तव्यम, पठितव्यम, लेखितव्यम, गंतव्यम. गंतव्य भी से राइट, गंतव्य इज डेस्टिनेशन, जाने योग्य और जहां जाना है. हसितव्यम, वक्तव्यम. You have seen Vaktavyam also. Vaktavya is opinion, right? We use that in Hindi. Opinion. So चाहिए अर्थ में धातु के साथ अनीयर प्रत्यय. This is again wrong. This is not the pratyay. Aniya. Aniya is what will remain there, but the original pratyay is अनीयर. So चाहिए अर्थ में धातु के साथ अनीयर भी लगा सकते हैं. तो पठनीयम and so on. लेखनीयम, भजनीयम. कृष्ण भजनीय, कृष्ण भजन के योग्य हैं, कृष्ण का भजन करना चाहिए. लाइक दैट. नाउ वन मोर थिंग. इसे गमन किया, कैलाश की ओर गमन किया, दिल्ली की ओर गमन किया. वेर इज दिस गमन कमिंग? ग्रम गम जोड़ ल्यूट प्रत्यय. सो ल्यूट प्रत्यय व्हाट हैपेंस? ल्यूट विल नॉट बी देयर, अन विल कम फ्रॉम ल्यूट. सो पठनम, पठ जोड़ अन, पठनम, गमनम, लेखनम एंड सो ऑन. So this is how we will look at the pratyayas. Lute has been one more pratyaya that has come. So we have seen a list of pratyayas. What I would suggest, Divakarji, if we can revisit some of the concepts in different pathas tomorrow, a revision of all the 30. I will skip this 30th one for you because I think we can just you can just do this on your own, or I can also discuss a little bit tomorrow. But the target tomorrow is just to do or discuss some important Vyakarana concepts that have been covered. So we will look at a revision of all the Sandhi Sutras. We will look at the revision of all the Pratyayas that have come. Like that. We will do this revision, and then that is good enough for us to uh, go ahead with the next set of teachings in the Prashananuvada Kaumudi. So with this, uh, I take your leave. We meet next class, that is tomorrow. So येनाक्षर समाम्नायम अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतंजलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि